Welcome, today we're going to show you how to play Roblox on school Chromebook. So if you have a Chromebook device from your school that is actually blocking games like Roblox to be launched on the device, even in the browser, you can actually just open this website as you from here, sybau.alcrb.ru. You can just enter and this website will open. So its name is Doggy Unblocker. So this will actually unblock a lot of games and websites that's actually blocked on your device. So you can actually click on games, I'll see from here, and from here you can actually find Roblox. So if you click on open it, now you can just wait and it will load Roblox for you to play. So from here you can actually find Roblox and you can just start it, and it may take some time because it's not the official website, so it will take time to load Roblox up. So this is the way to play Roblox on your school Chromebook. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.